Welcome to another Minds On with Miss Hake. Well, we've been talking about emotions and symmetry. How do those two go together? Well, have you ever heard of an emoji? You know, like you send people on a text or on a phone. They are round circles. Usually they're yellow and they have a face on them to describe what are you feeling. So we're going to think of an emoji to make that is symmetrical. So if you were to cut your emoji in half, one side would be the same as the other side. So what kind of emotions could we draw on our emoji? Happy? Excited? Sad? I want you to think of what emoji you can draw, but when you draw it, I want you to make it the same on one side as the other. So we're going to practice our symmetry. Okay, so take a little look. You're going to get an object to trace. I traced my mug. Look at that. It was a perfect circle. And I know that if I were to put a dot-to-dot line in pencil down the middle of my circle, what I draw on one side, I have to draw on the other because that's symmetrical, and we've been talking about that today. So before I draw anything, I'm going to color my emoji yellow because my emoji is going to be yellow. Now, do you have to make yours yellow? Nope. But I think I'm going to make mine a happy emoji. So I want to make sure that my emoji is nice and bright because I feel pretty happy today making these emojis. So what do I know about an emoji and making it symmetrical? Because if we fold the circle any direction, we should have the same on one side as the other. So a circle is symmetrical. So I'm going to need eyes. So one side of my line, I don't know if you can see my line, but don't put marker on yours because you can't erase it after, but this is just my sample. So on one side, I'm going to have an eye, and I have to make the same eye on the second side. That's right, eyes. Now my emoji is going to be very, very happy. So I'm going to get a red marker, and I'm going to make one smile on one side, and then another smile on the other side to make sure they're connected. So now my emoji is the same. It's a symmetrical emoji. And then I can print the word huh, ah, puh. Oops. Yep. Puh. E. Happy. This is my emoji. And it's happy because I'm happy today. So I'm wondering which emoji you're going to create. Remember, what you do to one side, you have to do the other. And then we can cut our emojis, and we can make emojis all around the room if we want. And if you have time, maybe you can make two. All right, have a beautiful time, and I will see you soon.